Hey, what's up, everyone? Ben here with Magnuson. I got a partner in crime today.
So,
got K-Man with me, Christian. He's riding with. We are headed to Florida right now, to Daytona Beach for the P1 Aqua race. I believe it's championship. I could be wrong, but
championship.
Is it a championship? We were looking it up. Sorry, Anthony. We weren't 100% sure what it was called, so we didn't want to mess it up. Shout out Taylor Stewart for the Pit Vipers.
Yep.
Loves them. We're gonna rock them. I'll get rid of the bands for the races. It's gonna be a long drive. It's 17 hours to Florida. After we hit up Daytona Beach, we're gonna head north to Savannah, Georgia, and from Savannah, Georgia, we're gonna head to Greenville, South Carolina, where we are going to meet up with Taylor and Stu, and I think Jimmy Wilson. We'll see. Gonna have a dinner with them, have some fun. So, looking forward to this, and we'll talk to you soon. What is up, everyone? We are in somewhere just north of Chattanooga, Tennessee. Magnuson Mobile Pit Vipers, as always. Alright, so we made it to Atlanta today. We wanted to make it all the way to Florida, but we had hit quite a bit of traffic in Nashville and Louisville. So we decided to stay here. We're at a loft here in Atlanta, North Atlanta, and just parked. Got the bag out. We're gonna head to our room. What is up, everyone? Ben here, Christian here, and we are in Daytona Beach. We got here last night. It was pouring rain, so I wasn't doing a ton of filming. But we were on our way to the beach to meet up with Anthony. We're gonna pull his wave runner out onto the beach and do some hanging out today. He's only got one race. We're gonna see Jimmy Wilson today. And then tomorrow's the big day with a couple of races, so we'll see you at the beach. Hey, what's up, everyone? So we just got to where Anthony's at, little staging area over here. We're working on a few things. Here's our man Anthony. What's going on?
Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
Good, good, good. So what do we got going on today, brother?
We got one moto this afternoon. We're getting the ATV ready for the beach. We're changing plugs right now so it can run a little bit better. And it's going to be exciting. One race and we're done today, and tomorrow is a big day of both motors are going to be tomorrow. So it's going to be a wild day tomorrow. I think the wind is going to pick up, so it should get pretty gnarly out there.
Hey, what's up, everyone? So we are out on the beach now. We just got a ski out here with the Magnuson Jeep.
What's up, guys? We're at Daytona Beach. Anthony's ready to go. We got the amateur guys practicing out there. It's gonna be a blast, the P1 Aqua race. So let's go.
Hey, Anthony Radetic here in beautiful Daytona Beach, but on September 30th and October 1st and 2nd, we will be at the Minnesota Floor Fest, and we're gonna hang out with the boys from Magnuson Performance, watching the Nitro RX and my boy Chaz Pastrana. It's gonna be a blast, so come on out and hang out with us.
And we have arrived. The stone streets Black Rifle Coffee Company. So excited for this, guys. Alright, so here we are at the famous Black Rifle. And then of course we got 9line here too. Got all the cool gear. We ordered our drinks already, so we'll get those here in just a minute. We got a 1776. It's the best drink they have here, in my personal opinion. Show you around the cool store here. Jeep Taylors. Check this thing out. Man, look at these toys back here. Ooh-wee. What's up, Taylor?
What's going on, guys? Check out my new stickers.
Ooh-wee. That adds about 50 horsepower, don't it?
Yeah, a lot more than that, especially when you're driving. Always gotta rock the American flag right there on the hood.
Yeah, buddy. All right, so Taylor has brought us into this building here with his friend Corey.
How you doing?
And Corey's gonna show us around a little bit. Check out all this cool stuff.
Yeah, so what we have here is just the race car side of things. You know, I'm mostly motorcycle side, but this shop next door to us, Hawk McCall Motorsports, they got their own lineup here, and a lot of these talented kids, they come in and race. There's good background. Lee McCall, he's the crew chief. He was the Sterling Marlins mechanic for the Coors Cup.
Wow.
And he's also had people like Tony Stewart come here and race one of their cars. We've had Ben Rhodes, which drives for Junior Motorsports. Just a lot going on in this little building.
Right.
You see a lot of money, a lot of good racing, and there's also a history of race teams has gone through with Randy Hawkins and Bobby Hawkins, and there's just a lot of good stuff in here. But this is an enduro bike. Once the graphics get here, it'll be all graphicked up and it'll look good. Like, oh, we're actually waiting for graphics for all the bikes.
Yeah, we got some badass like bench.
Say what's up, Stu.
What's going on?
YouTube, it's Stu, the one and only. We're about to go hit a mountain, right? Tell me, where are we going?
We're gonna go up a road in my hometown, Marietta, South Carolina, called Persimmon Ridge.
Oh, man.
We'll hit the back roads, get on some gravel, take y'all up to a place they call Bald Rock.
Let's try to get some cool footage, huh?
That's
Get a
right.
reel or two?
That's what we do.
That's what's up.
That trail right there looked open.
Let's see. All right, so in nice orderly fashion, this is a trail that hasn't been used in many, many years. It just turns around?
Yeah, just a loop.
All right, we'll keep going back up the mountain.